Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Welcome to my channel. It is like about 9 o'clock in the morning, I think, and I'm just getting ready for the day, and it's a Saturday, so we're gonna be chilling at home, of course, as you should be doing too, and we're just gonna make the most of it. Woke up this morning, hopped in the shower just to kind of wake me up, put on some makeup, and came down, put on some clothes, and it's so hot. I'm sweating. I think it's gonna be a hot day outside, which means pool day too. So I'm in my living room right now, but this is our pool outside. I know the palm trees are dead. We just got through winter, but how nice is that gonna look when it's like bright and sunny out? Also, because I know so many people care, these are the puzzles I've been working on this week. These came from Walmart. I had to go on a grocery run last week and I found these and I was like, this is the best thing ever. I know I seem like a nerd because that's all my Instagram stories consist of, but it has brought me so much joy. And these are all Disney puzzles, so I still have all of those to do, and then I've been working on 2 of these, so definitely been a highlight this week. This past week I've been working from home. If you know, I work for VS Pink for their website, and it's been really nice being able to work from home. I do miss the office like so bad. I miss getting up and going to the gym and getting ready and going to actually work, but I'm so thankful that they're letting me work from home until all this is over. You know, I've been super into getting coffee every day. I feel like a lot of the start to my vlogs have been kind of repetitive, but I'm going to go to our local coffee shop. They are still open. I'm not sure how long they're going to be open for, but while they are, I'm going to keep supporting them. So I'm going to go get me a cup of coffee and I'm going to come straight back. But first thing we have to do is go feed my pets and tell them good morning. Good morning, buddy. Good morning. Is you already awake this morning? Yeah? I wish I would have brought a bathing suit. I didn't even think of it, but if I do go on a grocery run, I may see if they have a swimsuit I can grab because it feels so good out here. Okay, here we go. Got our coffee. This is the spot. Got my Daisy. She is having a blast. We are back and it is smoothie time. This is what all we're putting in it. So we have kale, spinach. These are both getting kind of brown looking, but they're okay. And then banana. I'm gonna put 2 cuties in today because these are tiny. Some pineapple, blueberries, and I've been adding ginger also, and don't love it, but I know it's good for you, so I'm gonna keep adding it, but it does change the whole thing. And she's ready, so I think I'm actually gonna pour my coffee and my green smoothie into glasses just because that's what I prefer to drink out of. But now we're in the living room, and I would be lying if I didn't say that I was dying to work on my puzzles. So we're gonna finish this one, I think, and just watch some TV this morning. It's like almost 10 o'clock, and we're just gonna do some puzzle time.
Would not be a whistleblower. Generations have silenced whistleblowers.
Okay guys, so it's like 11:30 and my mom made sloppy joes for lunch. I've been watching The Office and I finished the puzzle because I'm so exciting. But I think after this, we're gonna go and enjoy the great outdoors. Also, in my vlog from last week, I said I was gonna play the piano and I still haven't, but I think I'm going to tomorrow. I can't even reach. Okay, so that was beautiful. I forgot I can play pool with myself. That could be fun, practice my pool game. So it is 12:07 right now and I'm running to Walmart. There are a couple things I need to get. I need kale, we need hamburger meat, and then I need a bathing suit, so or a swimsuit, whatever you call it, because I'm gonna be here actually for like 2 more weeks, or I guess a week, whenever this is over. I thought I was gonna be going back tomorrow, but I no longer am. So I'm going to get a swimsuit since I'm going to be here for a while, just because I lay out pretty much every day and I need something to wear. I've been wearing my bike shorts, so if they have like other shorts to where I never really shop at Walmart ever, but that's really all we have where I live. So we're gonna see what they have. It's gonna be a quick trip, in and out. I just need a swimsuit of some sort. Okay, so I'm back from Walmart and I found these two swimsuits. These obviously don't go together, but I wanted some just plain black bottoms because I'll wear these. Again, these bottoms I found, actually I saw these on Liz Weber. She's a blogger. I saw them on her Instagram. Y'all should go follow her. She's actually really, really good. And then this top that goes with it. And then I figured both of these I can mix match with other things. Not crazy about the white, but this is what we have. So I think I'm gonna wear this one today. So before we go out, I'm making a pina colada and I use this mix right here. And then I also put in cream of coconut, pineapple chunks, pineapple juice, and some ice. I'm also actually gonna add a little bit of grenadine. It makes it really good. And it makes it kind of like pink. I'm gonna put it in this glass. Ooh, yeah boy. Boom. Okay guys, this is amazing. I have my towels out. This is like the same thing you saw last weekend, so I apologize. The phone, AirPods, tanning oil, oh no. And then water and my pina colada. I think we're actually gonna get in the pool. You wanna get in the pool? I'm gonna go swimming. She loves socks, please don't do that. So I've been out here for like 30 minutes and you can see just sweat oozing out of my pores. It's disgusting, but it feels so good. Okay guys, it's 2:15. We are still out here. She literally just walks back and forth, like guarding me the entire time. Well, I don't even know if she's guarding me. She may not even care. But we finished our pina colada. We've just been sitting out here listening to music and laying out. I'm starting to get a little bit hot. Like my legs are actually hot. I got in the pool, but the pool water is like really cold. I may try to get back in. Also really before like I take a shower, I want to do a workout. The other day I did like 500 jump ropes and 500 jumping jacks, and that was my workout. And y'all, I was so sore the next day, so I might do something like that, plus like maybe squats or something. I want to go for a run. I may do that in the morning though. I may just do like a HIIT kind of workout by the pool. That would be a good idea. I might pull something up on YouTube and just do something like that. But I think I'm about to go in and put my clothes back on and then come out and do a little workout. Okay y'all, so this is weird, but I'm still wearing my swimsuit and I just put on a t-shirt over it, like a big t-shirt that I was wearing earlier, and my tennis shoes. And what I'm gonna do is over here by the pool, I think I'm just gonna make up a little workout. I'm gonna figure out and just go as I go, and we're gonna do it by the pool. This is so relaxing. Like, this is so nice. And it's crazy because this is my house, and I think I just didn't appreciate having a pool as much as I do now that I haven't had, you know, the sun in so long. So we're just gonna do a quick like 20-minute workout, I think. Okay y'all, I'm about done working out. I've been doing jump rope, jumping jacks, squats, jumping lunges, arm workouts, and it's just really, really hot out here. Like, it's probably close to 90 degrees, and whew, I'm feeling it. I do really like working out outside. That's something I don't really do in Columbus because I live alone and I'm just so scared to be outside by myself, but it feels really good. I think I might jump rope a little bit more and then jump in the pool because your girl is very sweaty. But honestly, even just like laying out, I feel like sweating out all the bad foods that I've been eating this week. I can admit I've been eating really bad, but that's on me. And I've just been into cooking. Like the other night I made shrimp po' boys with like fried shrimp and this Cajun remoulade sauce on toasted French bread, and it was so good. And I made it and I was so proud. I totally should film me making these nice foods that I keep making, but that is something I need to get around to doing. Okay guys, so it's like 3:30. I finished working out and then I hopped in the pool. Then I came, took a shower because I was super smelly and I feel so clean. I'm wearing my favorite set from Target. Sorry, it's a little, my towel's in the way, but yeah, these are those super, super soft pants that I always wear. Super like tired, you know that feeling after laying out in the sun and then coming in and taking a nice shower and being all clean? like the naps after that are always the best naps. But I think I might just watch some TV. I don't know if I want to do my puzzle. I might do a puzzle. Also, ignore all this on the couches. I'm sure you've seen it in all the videos. This couch, our house is for sale, so whenever we move, we're buying new furniture because this couch, since we have had it, has started just peeling. So yeah, I just want to disclaim that we're not dirty, but I feel like you've been able to see that in all my videos. Okay guys, so I'm the actual worst. It's the next morning, and the last clip that you saw was me going to my couch, and that is what happened. I ended up falling asleep for like an hour, and then when I woke up, I had a bowl of cereal. I had Special K with fruit, the best cereal ever. And then after that, I watched Ant-Man and put together a puzzle, and then I watched another episode of Tiger King, and I'm really not that into it, if I'm being honest. And then I went to bed. So that was it, and so I didn't vlog any of that, but it's like 8:30 on a Sunday, and I woke up feeling like I just need to do something. So we're about to get some Spark, and we are gonna go on a run, and I'm going to just do what I can outside. I'm just gonna chug my Spark and then put on some running shoes, literally wearing the t-shirt that I slept in. Forgot to mention, I filmed a video last night too, after my nap, and I dermaplaned my face. So this afternoon, or I'm about to, whenever I get back, I'm gonna film like the second part to that, like the update. I really do think it worked though. My face feels pretty soft and like smooth. It's kind of oily because I haven't washed my face yet. I know it's disgusting, but I'm gonna do that after. Okay, I was trying to film this workout recap outside, but it is really humid out there and my thing keeps like fogging up, sorry. But as you can see, I'm very sweaty. So I ran my old route that I used to go in high school, and it was like 1.5 miles, and it took about 20 minutes because I mainly walked. But I came back and I did 250 jumps on the jump rope, and then I did like high knees in place, jumping jacks, all kinds of like random hit things I remember from doing when I used to do Insanity. So I did that by the pool. I do need to do like some kind of ab workout because I am like struggling, but I'm super sweaty. So I worked out for about 40 minutes, and I'm about to go take a shower because I stink. And then I'm gonna do a recap of the dermaplaning for another video. So I'll see y'all when I get out of the shower. But look at this humid sweat. I'm probably gonna work out again later today because it still is only like 9:45 in the morning. But yeah, that's how it went. It went good. Okay guys, so it's a little later. It's 1:16. I just finished editing the video of me dermaplaning my face. It took a while to edit, not gonna lie, because there were so many different clips, but that's gonna go up in a little bit. Just been sitting here, I was petting my dog and editing, and I thought about going outside, but it's kind of like really cloudy today, so I really want to lay out, but at the same time there's not a lot of sun, so I might just stay in here and watch some TV. I kind of want to get into the Marvel movies. I think I've seen pretty much all the Marvel movies, and I thought on Disney Plus they had all of them, but I don't think they do, because what I wanted to do was start them from like the first one to like the last Avengers movie or whatever. I want to watch them in order, but I don't know the best way to do that. So yeah, I feel like I've been watching The Office. Like, I've watched so many seasons of The Office. I've watched, since this started, I've gone through season 3 to season 8, which isn't hard to do for me, but I feel like I can expand on what I'm watching. But again, back to that Tiger King, my mom and I have watched the first 3 episodes, and I could honestly just like never watch it again and I would be totally fine. Like, I'm not dying to know what happens, because it's just, I don't know, and like I love documentary kind of things, but I don't know, I'm just not into it. I want to be into it, and I probably will finish it, but I'm not like crazy about it, you feel me? Okay guys, so later update, I ended up falling asleep this afternoon, and it's like 5. I just woke up. So my mom made quesadillas, and I haven't eaten it yet, but excited and I'm still like half asleep. I don't even know what happened this afternoon. We'll talk soon. Hey guys, so it's way later this afternoon. I edited my dermaplaning video and uploaded that. Then I just kind of like laid on the couch and watched movies. Hey Tibbles. Let's see my kitty, he's so sweet. I'm allergic to cats, so I try not to touch him too much, but he's the sweetest cat ever. And then I ended up falling asleep at like 3:30 and I didn't wake up till 5. So I took a really good nap, which is great. But then I ate a chicken and steak quesadilla that my mom made, and now it's like 6 o'clock, 6:15. And I think I'm gonna go for like a little walk, probably like how I ran / walk this morning. I think I'm just gonna walk, just because I feel like I was really lazy, even though I worked out this morning. But overall, like, I was a couch potato. In like 45 minutes, American Idol comes on, and I used to be the biggest American Idol fan back in the day, like the OG days, like Randy, Simon, and Paula. I used to vote every week. I was such a big American Idol gal, but I haven't really been watching it, or I haven't watched it until this season, since everything's like new with it. But I'm so into it this season, and I'm just really into it. So I'm really excited for tonight. Okay, so I walked for 15 minutes, almost 3/4 of a mile, just like a slow little walk with my girl. And now I'm on the floor, and we're about to do a little ab workout because, like I said, my stomach just has not gotten any love since I have been here. I've been doing just like random cardio, leg and arm stuff, but no ab stuff. So I don't record my workouts because I'm not one to watch. I say that in a lot of my videos, but I'm really not. It's kind of, yeah, but maybe one day. So we're about to do a little ab workout just on the floor. Okay, so I'm sitting here with my Daisy and Eeyore, and I'm fully aware that this makes me a complete loser. It's no different than reading though. Like, I'm using my mind, so don't hate. I'm just addicted to puzzles. But so we watched American Idol with my mom, and I've been putting together this puzzle. Okay, so I think that's where I'm gonna end this vlog, but let me know what you wanna see next. I think the next video I'm gonna film is a day in my work life. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. But I will see y'all soon, and thank you for watching. Subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Ooh, you okay? Okay, Daisy says bye. Say bye.